I'm returning to Cape Lookout for my first solo camping trip of the fall season. After being completely fogged in last time, we've got perfect weather. And the campsite can wait, the beach is calling. We are back at the Oregon coast. There's just something about the ocean that just keeps drawing me back. The ocean calms me and makes me happy. I mean, I was here probably a month and a half ago now, just right after Labor Day, and there's a reason why I'm back, but I'll go over that later. If you're new here, I'm Tori, and I'm chasing my wild here in the Pacific Northwest. Okay, the spot right across the way is where I stayed last time. I've got something that's even better. It's actually my favorite spot of the whole campground, so let's take a look. Super private. This is where the tent goes. Pro tip, upgrade your steaks. You'll thank me later. Muscle to get this one locked in place. Okay, so we have something new for the colder weather. It's going to be maybe low to mid 40s tonight, which isn't too bad, but I know at the coast it's more humid, so it might seem colder. But I have a battery operated heating blanket. So the battery has a little plug, plugs into the blanket. I think that's where it goes. And then you can put the plug inside this little zipper compartment. Okay, I moved the table over because it was way unlevel. Now it's over here and I have my coverings on it, so it's perfect. So the reason I'm back here at Cape Lookout is because the campground, I found out, is closing on December 1st. And they're doing some upgrades to the campground, I think for the spring and maybe possibly part of summer. So when I found that out, I booked my favorite campsite, and that's why I'm back. The sun is going down quickly, so let's head on over to the beach and check out the sunset. Oh my gosh, this sunset is absolutely just beautiful. See that behind me? It's starting to get dark, so let's head back to camp to build our fire for the night. So I was gonna make some chili that I cooked at home, but it's getting kind of dark. You probably can't tell because I've got a low light setting on my camera. So I'm gonna just do that tomorrow night, and then I'll just do a backpacking meal tonight. So here we go. I never have issues burning this wood here, but for some reason it just doesn't want to burn, so I had to find some dry leaves and some twigs that were somewhat dry, and it seems like it's going now. So fingers crossed it keeps going. So you probably can see it. I've got this hat on and it's got a light. The light's turned off just so you can actually see me. But thank goodness I have this new hat so I could actually see what I was doing, because it's just completely dark. Okay, I forgot that I had this really cool light that I can attach to my phone. So the Korean inspired beef is really good. Of course, I didn't put enough water in, even though it looked like it was really super soupy. So some of the beef is a little crunchy, so I'm kind of letting it sit a little bit longer. But it is pretty darn good, and it's almost better than the buffalo chicken mac and cheese that I had last time. So anyways, so I'm just sitting here enjoying the fire that finally got lit, and camping in the fall is way different than camping in the summertime, because you have to deal with it getting dark way sooner than, in the summertime. Well, good morning. I'm just sitting here drinking my coffee, trying to warm up. Probably in the 40s right now. It got down to 34. I'll show you on the screen. I did a little screenshot in the middle of the night. Kept really warm when I was sleeping. I think ever since I got that cot, I've been sleeping warm. 34, I think, is the coldest I've camped so far. I did not use the heated blanket. I mean, I used it, but I didn't turn it on because I was plenty warm. So today we're gonna do just a short hike. It's up north. I think it's on Cape Meares, up just north of us. It's called Octopus Tree. So stay tuned for that. But before that, we're gonna have breakfast here pretty soon because it's already 10 o'clock. Okay, we're having another Spam breakfast. So comment below if you're getting tired of me making this. It's good. This breakfast is just so delicious. If you have some ideas for breakfast, put them in the comments, will you? Such a beautiful day here on the Oregon coast. When the sun comes out, the temperatures rise. I think it's probably in the 50s now. It's just beautiful. I'll show you around here. place is absolutely gorgeous. It's just beautiful. You can see Cape Lookout way out there in the distance. And these are the 3 arches. I think they're called the Cape Arches. It may look like there's only 2, but there's 1 back there in the back. The octopus tree's odd shape remains a mystery. It measures 46 feet in circumference and has no central trunk. Its limbs extend as much as 16 feet horizontally before growing upward. The octopus tree is 105 feet tall and estimated to be between 250 and 300 years old. Well, that was the octopus tree. It's pretty cool. I just love the trails in Oregon. They're so peaceful and calm, usually well maintained. It's just absolutely beautiful. Well, we're doing it once again. Sushi on the bay. We're going to be reheating some homemade chili. I'm just going to add a little bit of rice. Some cheese. We'll add some sour cream. It's chili and cornbread. Here we go. I already know it's good because it's my recipe, but so there we go. Normally I'd slather my cornbread with honey and butter, but I don't have any. This is kind of cold, so it will be the best. Not bad though. Nothing like dinner by a fire. Thank you so much for joining me on my first camping trip of the fall season. Perfect October weather at the Oregon coast, gorgeous views from our hike, and an epic sunset. What else could you ask for? Next up, we head to a very magical place in the foothills of the Cascade Mountains. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the next adventure. Until then, go chase your own wild.